Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I've got green jack-o'-lantern mani using Bundle Monster BM-S204. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and I'll be using Powerful Potion by Sinful Colors as my base color. It is a funky chartreuse green, and it's got shimmer that goes on for days and days and days. This was an oldie but a goodie. You know, I have good things to say about Sinful Color polishes. They don't get enough love, but they're getting harder to find, so that's on the company, okay? So here we go. We got our first coat down. I am going to go in for a second coat. And if I was going to wear this for a regular mani without doing any nail art or anything on top, I would have gone for that third coat. Hi, Woody. How you doing? He's so good. I'm going to top it with a Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so that I can get on to the play-in. Because I got a lot of play-in to do today. It's just, I love this. It looks like, I don't know, citrus or something. Reminds me of like Mountain Dew or something. I don't know. Very cool. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. I'll be using these vinyls that are no name. I don't know where they came from. They're not the best vinyls ever, but I figured I had them. I might as well just go in and use them. You could use striping tape for this. I just did not feel like sitting and cutting, you know, a gazillion little strips of striping tape today. So I'm just gonna, you know, keep my fingers crossed and hope that me and these tweezers get along and the striping tape gets mushed down good enough. And since I know the end result, I'm going to go ahead and just let y'all know. I had a good tweezer day, you know, good hair day, good makeup day. Today I had a good tweezer day. I did not have to fight with my tweezers today. Finally, something went right, you know what I'm saying? So there we go. I'm trying to line them up as straight as I can. I am not the best at this. That's why it doesn't happen very often. And I am going to mush them down really well, and I'll be mushing them down really well again right before I put the polish on them. So this is a Sinful Colors I got for 49 cents from somewhere. It's got a sticker on it still. Gorgeous. And it's called Lucked Up. I believe this was probably from like a spring collection for St. Patrick's Day or something like that. You know what I'm saying? It's just one of those old polishes. But you might have a polish very similar in your collection. So just grab what you got. And this one's going on really well. The coverage is really good for this. Now, if you've been around for a hot minute, you know that I do a manicure like this every year in a different color. And I'm starting to run out of color combinations. So it's going to get interesting after next year. I think next year's going to be yellow, and then it's going to get crazy. I'm going to be mixing up all kind of colors. I do like stepping outside of the box and doing strange things. And this is one of them, and I always love them. My husband said it looked like watermelons that had been cut into jack-o'-lanterns, and he's very, very correct in that thought. Mr. Moonbaby's got an eye for this nail polish stuff, you guys. I'm telling you, he has had to see so much. Hi, Woody. How you doing? And then you're going to always want to try to remove that striping tape or decals quickly while the polish is still wet. That's why you do one nail at a time. I forgot to mention that earlier. I am getting back to being myself. I am going to be a little all over the place still for a little bit longer. I did have to finally go to the doctor. I thought it was all better, and then nope, it rebounded on me hard. So I will be medicine head for probably another week's worth of videos. And then, hopefully, y'all get the real Moon Baby back. But she's trying, you know, doing her thing. This is my happy place, so doing this makes me happy and makes me feel normal, so I'm going to keep on doing it. Isn't that cute? I love it. I love it just like that, even before the stamping. I think it's really cute. And you could stamp your lines. Like if you've got stamps with the lines, that would work really well, too. So I am going to top them all with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat before I do the stamping for putting the faces on these jack-o'-lanterns. This is a funky manicure, and you guys know I like funky. Okay, so something happened with my camera, and I didn't get all the other stamping, but you are going to get to see me do one. And, you know, I apologize for that. I don't know what happened. I think I have a memory card that's pooping out on me. And there we go. Going to try to drop something and then try to put it on the wrong hand. But in the end, we made it. Look, success. We're going to top it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat and let that completely dry. And now I'm going to go in with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. We're going to seal this one in, and hopefully it'll last a few days and we can enjoy it. And when I do my swatch photos, I will have a picture of my thumb separately. I don't normally do that because it's normally like one of the other nails, but this time they're all different. There it is in motion, motion. So here we go with the swatch photos. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself.